Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to upload a voiceover clip in Pictory, so let's get started. To elevate your videos with personal voiceovers on Pictory, Step 1. Begin your project and navigate to the storyboard. Step 2. Hover over Add Voiceover to reveal record or upload options. Step 3. If you choose record, a dialog box opens. Click Apply to use the recording for the current scene or Save for later. For upload, your clip is saved. Hover over it and click Current Scene to apply it. You can also upload or record from the Audio tab, then My Uploads, and then Voiceover. Then just repeat the process every time you want to upload a voiceover or music on a particular scene. So that's how you transform your videos with personalized voiceovers effortlessly. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next one.